Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Creating collections and collection sets within Lightroom Classic CC, you can use them to manage and organize your photo catalog. You can add photos to a collection, remove photos from a collection, and move photos between collections. You can also sort photos within a collection, rename collections and collection sets, and delete unwanted collections and collection sets. You can even set a target collection to make processing groups of photos easier. To add photos to an existing collection, expand the Collections panel within the Library module and display the grid view. Then drag photos from the grid view to the appropriate collection within the panel. You'll notice the number of photos listed in the collection header increases to reflect your addition. To identify photos that are part of a collection, look for the Photo is in Collection badge in the bottom right corner of thumbnail images within the grid view and the film strip. You can click the badge to see which collections a photo is part of. When a collection is displayed within the grid view, you can also right-click a thumbnail and select the Go to Folder in Library command from the pop-up menu. Lightroom then displays the folder from which the collection photo originated. To remove one or more photos from a collection, expand the Collections panel in the Library module and click to display a collection in the grid view. Next, click to select photos in the grid that you want to remove from the collection. Then select Photo, Remove from Collection from the menu bar. Alternatively, you can press the Delete key on your keyboard to remove one or more selected photos from the collection. Keep in mind that removing a photo from a collection does not remove the photo from your Lightroom Classic CC catalog. To copy or move photos between collections, expand the Collections panel in the Library module, and then click to display a collection within the grid view. Click to select one or more photos from the grid. To copy the photos to another collection, drag and drop the selected photos to another location within the Collections panel. When you do this, the selected photos become part of the second collection, but also remain part of the original collection. If you want to move photos from one collection to another, you have to copy the photos to the new collection and then delete them from the original collection. You can sort collections within the Collections panel as well. This can be helpful when you have a large number of collections shown in the panel. To sort collections, click the plus-shaped New Collection icon at the right side of the Collections panel header. In the pop-up menu that appears, select one of the Sort options. If you select Sort by Name, collections are sorted alphabetically within the panel. If you choose Sort by Kind, collections are sorted by collection type. You can rename a collection or a collection set from within the Collections panel as well. To do this, right-click the name of the collection or collection set, and then select the Rename command from the pop-up menu that appears. The Rename Collection dialog box then appears on screen. Type a new name for the collection into the collection text field, and then click the Rename button to save your change and dismiss the dialog box. You can also set a target collection in Lightroom Classic CC, which lets you override the temporary Quick collection. We'll explore the Quick collection more in the next lesson. When you set a target collection, you make a permanent collection behave like the Quick collection so that you can quickly group photos together for further processing. After you set a target collection, that collection continues to behave as the Quick collection as long as it is targeted. To set a target collection, expand the Collections panel and click to select the collection you want to target. Note that a collection set cannot be used as a target because it does not contain any photos. Right-click on your selected collection and choose the Set as Target Collection command from the pop-up menu that appears. Notice that the photos in the target collection display a circular Photo is in Target Collection icon in the upper right corner of the thumbnail image. To add a photo to a target collection, select a photo in any module, and then press the B key on your keyboard. To remove a photo from the target collection, first select the target collection. Then select the photo to remove in the grid view and press the B key on your keyboard once again. To turn off the target, right-click the target collection in the Collections panel and uncheck the Set as Target Collection option. Lightroom Classic CC lets you easily delete collections and collection sets without removing photos from your catalog. To do this, simply right-click the name of the collection or collection set, and then choose the Delete command from the pop-up menu. A confirmation message box then appears on screen. After reading the message, click the Delete button to confirm your choice and remove the collection or collection set.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.